guide you through how to find your YouTube stream key. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and so you want to go and get your stream key. If you want to go and use live streaming software, for example like OBS, you need to go and have your stream key. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get it. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, so watch this full guide. So to go and get started, you need to go and press your profile icon in the top right, go down and press YouTube Studio. You then need to go and head to the bottom left and you need to go and find the option for settings. You then need to go over to the left and find the option for channel and find feature eligibility at the top. You need to come down to intermediate features and press the arrow. You need to go and have the standard feature enabled and have your phone number verified, and that will go and enable live streaming. After you've done that, I already have press verify, enter in your number and you get a code via text or call, enter that in. Then come back here and you can press create in the top right and you want to press go live. You then need to go and wait, there'll be a countdown until you can go and stream. I've already got this on another channel, so I'll guide you through that as the example, but you have to go and wait there. So when you then go and have access, we can go and press go live again. And what you need to do is head over to the left when this loads, and you need to go and find this top icon, which is stream. We're just going to expand it like so. And then you can scroll down here and see the stream URL and also the backup URL. But what we want is the code. So what you want to do is go to the top to where it says learn how to use encoders. And then you go and see your stream key. You can go and reveal it, or you can go and press copy to the right and then paste it